Good morning, Wanda. Oh, here comes Arnold and Carla. So good to see you. We will wait just a few minutes while everybody continues coming in.
What's up, Frizz?
Phoebe just joined us, so I think that is everyone. So good to see you all. As you know, Read-A-Thon is starting, and I am so excited. Does everyone have a book?
Yes.
Where is your excitement for reading?
Miss Frizzle, it's not like we don't like reading. It's just things just haven't been the same, since this year.
Yeah, I hate that we haven't been able to go anywhere together or be together in class, and it's been kind of boring. I really don't feel like doing a whole lot of anything, including reading.
Well, it sounds like Read-A-Thon came just in the nick of time.
Miss Frizzle, why do you look like you're getting ready to go snorkeling?
Sorry, guys. I'm about to show you how reading can be an adventure that allows you to see places you can't actually get to and connect with characters and things you wouldn't think possible.
But, Miss Frizzle, you didn't explain why you look like you're getting ready to go, snorkeling.
Well, boys and girls, we are about to dive into reading, and I thought this was an appropriate outfit since we will begin with my book, Jellies, by Twig C. George.
Uh-oh, I feel a field trip coming.
Don't be silly, Phoebe. We can't go on a field trip. We're all in our homes.
Virtually anything is possible with books as long as you have a little imagination and a dash of creativity. I just sent everyone a link. Just click on it and let's dive into some jellyfish.
Cool.
Wait, did you say dive into jellyfish?
1, 2, 3. I think we are missing somebody. Let me see. There's Wanda and Carla and...
Ah! Don't let them sting me! Someone save me! I'm too young to die!
Arnold! There are no jellyfish. No, you're not going to die, and we are really just in a blank room.
Oh, thank goodness. I thought this was going to be my last field trip. Where's the bus, and where are we?
Yeah, I was wondering the same thing.
Boys and girls, the bus is not here because we needed the Wi-Fi to transport us to this very spot. The cool thing about this is, as we read some of my book, we can experience it in this room.
What do you mean?
Be prepared to be dazzled. Have a seat and I will show you. Jellies by Twig C. George. If you were a jellyfish, you would have 2 choices, to go up or to go down. That's it, 2. You would not have a brain, so you could not decide what to have for breakfast or what to go for lunch. The ocean currents would carry you along from place to place. In this way, you could travel hundreds of miles.
Cool.
Sea turtles.
Oh, they're so cute.
And sharks would try to eat you. Woo, quite enough excitement for one day.
I'd say it is.
Hey, we're back in our Zoom meeting. Miss Frizzle, that was cool.
I know, right? As Mason Cooley said once, reading gives us someplace to go when we have to stay where we are. I know it's been tough, guys, but if we dive into reading, it allows us to use our imagination and visualize places we would like to see and experience. You don't have to be bored when you have a good book. Not only that, but we can share our experiences with each other. As Dr. Seuss says, oh, the places you will go. We'd better call it a day and get to reading.
Thanks, Miss Frizzle. I can't wait to read my book and explore Narnia. Bye!
Bye, Phoebe.
And I can't wait to go to Hogwarts. Bye, Miss Frizzle.
Bye, Wanda.
I think I'm going to spend a day with Charles as he goes to the chocolate factory. Miss Frizzle, I'll tell you all about Charlie's adventure tomorrow.
Sounds good to me. Happy reading, everyone.
Bye.
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 Bye, thank you.
Snack.